Hi food lovers, welcome to my YouTube channel. In case you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and also leave the comment below and tell me what you think about the video. Today I'm going to show you how to prepare the ground beef and French beans. Let's get started. And here are my ingredients that I'm going to use for ground beef. I have potatoes, like five potatoes. I have carrots. I've just used like 10 carrots, baby carrots. I have curry powder, and I've just used 2 teaspoons of curry powder. I have cumin. I've used 2 teaspoons of cumin. And I have curry powder. Not curry powder. I have meat masala, and for meat masala I've just also used 2 teaspoons of meat masala, and this is the one over here. And I have 2 teaspoons of salt, and I have 2 teaspoons of coriander, 2 teaspoons of coriander, and I have some French beans over here, and I have 1 onion and a half, and I have some pepper here. I have some paste here that I've just made, and I have 2 tomatoes. And on this side I do have my ground beef, and right now I'm going to get started. And for the oil I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and when I mean 2 tablespoons of olive oil, I mean 2 of this tablespoon. This is a tablespoon. I need 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And right now I'm going to steam my potatoes and French beans. I'll have to pour them on top of it over here because I'm going to steam them nicely. Then meanwhile, what I'm going to do, I'll take my ground beef. And for this ground beef, what I'm going to do, I'm going to pour all my spices. I have my 2 teaspoons of salt. Two teaspoons of meat masala. I have 2 teaspoons of coriander. I have 2 teaspoons of curry powder. I have 2 teaspoons of cumin seed. And after that, I'll have just to pour a little bit of oil. 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and right now I can smell the aroma. I can smell aroma right now. It smells really good. And oh my God. You can also use garlic if you like. You can see the color is keep changing. Then after that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to add some onions. Like so. Then after this, we're going to add the red pepper. Then after that, we are going to have to put the tomato. Then last to do, you pour your sauce. And this is the way it should be looking like. Right now I have to reduce the heat and wait for my potato to be ready. I need to switch the stuff because this one doesn't too slow. And put it here. And this is the way the French beans look like. And I have some baby carrots, and I have some potatoes. And yeah, I do have my ground beef ready, but I'm just waiting for potatoes to be ready so that I can pour them on top of the ground beef. If you like this video, kindly subscribe, share, leave comment below and tell me what you think about the video. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and also leave the comment below and tell me what you think about the video. Until next time, bye bye. Now what I have to do, I just want to take these potatoes because they're cooked and put them in the ground beef. And I do have my French beans here. I'll have to mix also here together. You see how beautiful it looks? It's looking yummy. Yummy, yummy. Then I'll have the candle to blend them together, like so. See how it looks delicious, and it has some bright colors of green and some orange. And here it's ready. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and also leave the comment below and tell me what you think about the recipe. Bye bye. And here is our final ground beef stew. And you can serve with rice, you can serve with ugali, you can serve with naan bread, you can serve with bread, you can serve that way. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe, like, share,